I started seeing a dentist and he was just kind of doing patchwork for me. Started developing bone loss. I got an infection and so I got referred to the Perio Health here with these doctors, with Dr. Rossi.
Perio Health offers all the traditional perio treatments, from gum grafts to bone grafts to dental implants. What sets us apart is just our decades of experience, and we're the only clinic in Houston and really around the country that does clinical research the way we do. We do more clinical research than a lot of universities from all over the country.
As time went on, the more pain and infection and stuff that I had going on with my periodontal disease, it was breaking down my teeth. They were getting weak. I was getting weak bones, so therefore I was getting more infections.
The best part of doing this type of treatment is seeing patients get healthier, seeing patients able to function after not being able to use their teeth in forever, and for being able to smile after years.
It has changed pretty much my whole life. I can actually smile and function better. I'm not in any more pain. I don't have to worry about things like I used to have to worry about. Don't be afraid. I was so nervous. I think I cried at almost every appointment. I had nothing to worry about. It actually was more of a funny process.
So it's all about health. So from systemic health to dental health, we help restore patients' functionality, their systemic health, as well as their aesthetics.
When the whole process was over, I took another picture of my permanents and I cried. It's such a huge difference you wouldn't even believe. I have more confidence and I feel better about myself, and I'm less self-conscious about smiling and talking to people and just doing everyday things. I can go out and actually hold a conversation without kind of hiding my face.
Even after the procedure, the doctors will call you that night and will follow up with you daily, weekly, monthly afterwards to make sure you have as good of a result as possible.
Amazing. I can't believe that my teeth actually look like this. Perfect teeth. It's like a movie star mouth. I can smile without hiding. I laugh a little bit more. I eat better because of the fact that I'm not in any pain.
The easiest way to think about this is just treat other people like you want to be treated. If you're a member of our family, we want to make sure that you're as happy as you can be, as healthy as you can be, and function as well as you can.
It'll be the best thing that they ever did. Don't be scared. Don't be nervous. Just do it if you can, and come to this office. Come see Dr. Rossi. I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to live in pain anymore, and I can actually enjoy everything that I wasn't enjoying beforehand.
Everyone comes to us with an issue. We're very used to this. We'll be non-judgmental, we'll be as pain-free as absolutely possible, and we'll follow you throughout the whole healing.
I would recommend them to everybody. I wouldn't go anywhere else. If I move out of state, I'd fly back here just to get treated.
My why is to help people get healthier, smile better, and to function better.